ShoreTel make brilliantly simple communication systems. We have tens of thousands of customers who benefit from the efficiencies generated by unified communications. We measure their satisfaction using the Net Promoter Score. We consistently deliver over 60%. This puts us in with the top companies in the world, such as Apple and Harley-Davidson. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you some of the features that are going to help you and your company benefit from unified communications. It's easy to use, it's easy to manage. Also, it's the lowest total cost of ownership on the market. And the difference is, we guarantee it. We have a single image architecture which composes of three main parts. There are the voice switches, which delivers reliability, applications, which delivers productivity, and there's the endpoints. You can choose which ones you want to communicate best with. From 20 to 20,000 users, it's the same phones, endpoints, the same management that scales to requirements. The first thing, our voice switches deliver extreme reliability. You've come to depend on dial tone, so we can deliver that for 99.999% of the time. Our architecture has the ability to heal itself around problems it may encounter in the network, and we can deliver that for very, very good cost break. There are a lot of features in our communicator client. I'm going to take you on a little unified communications journey now, illustrating some of them. I'm going to communicate with Pierre. Pierre is on the other side of the building, I can't see him, and I want to talk to him. So I look at my communicator product and I can see Pierre's in a meeting. So what I'm going to do is get the system to tell me when Pierre is available. I'm going to set an alert. Now I'm carrying on my work, Pierre comes out of a meeting, and now I can see that they're available, and I've got a choice. I can now phone or I can use instant messaging. I'm going to IM Pierre. So here we go. And we're having an instant messaging conversation. Now, it might be nice to actually talk to Pierre. So I just simply click on the green phone button in the top left-hand corner. And we're having a telephone conversation. Maybe I want to extend that to video. So simply click the video camera. I'm now having a video conversation with Pierre. Now, unified communications is also about collaboration. So I'm going to extend my desktop by simply clicking on the Share Desktop icon. This actually integrates with our ShoreTel conference bridge, and now I can use all the features of our conferencing solution, including sharing my desktop and recording that conversation so that you can send a link to people for future reference. Over recent years, the growth in the use of the mobile phone has increased way beyond any numbers you could imagine. The key thing is, how can I build that into my communications process? When I'm in the office, the mobile costs me more than my enterprise phone system. When I'm on the move, I'm paying expensive roaming charges or international call rates. ShoreTel's mobility application, which can turn your BlackBerry, your iPhone, your iPad or your Android device into a business phone, can be utilised anywhere you have Wi-Fi. That's your office, that's your coffee shop, that's your home, that's a hotel. It also can be your private phone. You can have business calls and private calls, and you can treat them accordingly. The business pays for business calls, you pay for the private calls. We call that part of a bring your own device strategy. We manage our system using Shoreware Director. This is a browser-based management, so I can manage my system wherever I can get to a browser. Now, a key thing about management of a communication system is three basic things. Firstly, I need to administer. So I need to add users, add configurations, have a wide range of features under that. Secondly, I need to keep an eye on the system. Is it working? Is it running? Monitor it. Inform the right people when it's not working. And finally, I want to report on its usage. How's the system being used? What numbers are being dialed? What bandwidth are you using? I'm going to just show you how we add a user. So from this screen here, I can add a user's full communication requirements with just a few clicks of a mouse. I simply add in a name, and first name, last name, and I click save, and Rachel Foster that I've configured there is now on the system. I've done her phone number, I've done her instant messaging, I've done her conference bridge, I've done her voicemail, all with those few clicks of a mouse, making it very, very simple to manage. So people other than technical resources can manage the system. Thank you for listening and finding out about ShoreTel. Let me just tell you about a few points to make clear. Firstly, it's very easy to use and manage. It's very highly available and very reliable. It can scale to meet your business needs. But most of all, it's the lowest TCO in the market, and we guarantee it. So request a demo and we can come and show you.